Hello everyone, in this video we'll be seeing which pens and colors can be used as a base for your lettering, so stay tuned. These are some of the colors that are in the lighter shades, and some of these colors are potential base colors, so we'll do a quick swatch of all of these and then we'll test them out. Let's start with Tombow N95. This is the lightest gray and one of the most smooth brush pens, and if you do not get Tombows, there's another option in Koi brush pen, which is a cool gray color. This is pretty similar to it, this would be a budget friendly option if you want to go for something light gray but a little cheaper. So I would suggest this for beginners. And in currant, you'll find light shades like Skin, and there is Almond, and suppose you are going for a greenish base color, there is Koi Ice Green. And for a bluish shade, there is Arctic Blue. You can find lighter shades than these, but currently this is the lightest blue shade I have. I also tried Stabilo's gray color, but it is really pigmented and dark. In Stabilo, I did not find any lighter shade of gray in Stabilo, so I would not recommend this. There is another light color in Tombow, 990. I got this in the tropical set. I would not go for this because of the brownish shade. Suppose you are blending sappy greens and browns and blacks, this would look good, but yeah, for regular colors, this is a no. This is a no. And so yeah, in this video I will be showing you these three colors of base. These are the lightest shades in this section and how it would affect your lettering. And I wouldn't be showing you green and blue, but yes, suppose you're blending colors like these, you can use the green base. Suppose you're blending colors like these blue and violet shades, you can have this as the base color. So let's start with these three colors. So yeah, I have already lettered with the base colors, these three: Tombow N95, Currant Skin color and Currant Almond color. So we'll see how different colors blend on this particular base. So to show you, I will be blending the same colors on all the three patches. So the colors I chose are a blue, a red, a green and a yellow. So let's see how it works on the skin color first. So yeah, this is on the skin color of currant. Let's try the currant almond next. So this is with currant almond. Now let's go for Tombow N95. I'll set these two aside to dry. Alright, so it's all completed and dry now. So let's start with the skin color. Compared to all the reds, it is kind of a peachy red over here, and I think it's a little diluted than this, but this is the actual color of red, and it gives a soft red, the skin colored base. And if you see the yellow, it has turned slightly orangish due to the pink pigment in the base color. So the yellow got slightly dull. The same on the grayish N95 too, but yeah, it got a little blended with the red, so there's an orangish tint. But yeah, it's not as bright as it's on almond, because even this has a yellowish base, and the yellow is amplified with the almond base. And if you check out the greens, this is the actual color of green, and I would recommend N95 if you're going for green. Here the green has turned a little lightish, a pretty lighter tone of green. I think the base has made it light, but here it's an absolute no, because the green has mixed with this base and got a sappy green here, and it is like for a vibrant green like this, going into a sappy green is a no for me. So yeah, I would not recommend skin currant if you're using green on your letters. Now for the blues, again in the almond base, the blue is kind of turning into a greenish turquoise here, and if you are going for this color, yeah, this base would work, but the actual blue is this one. And yeah, it is, if you want the colors to remain in the same intensity with the actual pigment color, always go for Tombow N95. And yeah, again I used the reds around here. The violets are dark, so it doesn't really matter on which base you use. So yeah, my personal suggestion would be to go for Tombow N95, so that the colors remain the same even after you blend. Suppose you want a vibrant and with a lighter shade, provided you're not using blues and purples, the almond currant should look good. And for currant skin, suppose you're going for shades like pink, red, orange, even purples will look good on currant skin color too. So yeah, I hope you guys got an insight on how the colors would look based on different colors of base that you're using. I would also suggest you to experiment different base colors like the ice cream or the Arctic blue. So when you're going for a bluish palette, bluish and purplish palette, yeah, you can go for this. And a greenish palette, yeah, like I mentioned before. So yeah, we have come to an end of this video, and I hope you learned something new about base colors in this video. And yeah, thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.